Reusable glass straws environmentally friendly by Hiware. If you need more than 4 straws, this set of 8 pieces might be the best for you. Precisely. You get 4 straight and 4 bent straws that are 10 inches tall, 2/5 inches diameter. You also get 2 cleaning brushes. Hiware glass straws are some of the best glass drinking straws since they are made of eco-friendly glass that's free of lead and BPA. The reusable glass straws, environmentally friendly by Hiware, are FDA approved and don't give any metal aftertaste as some stainless steel alternatives. Each of these is suitable for smoothies, protein shakes, tea, coffee, frozen drinks, and pretty much every other hot and cold beverage. Since these glass straws measure 2 1/5 inch in diameter, each straw can fit through the lid of a mason jar or insulated tumbler. It can also fit through some 30-ounce tumblers, depending on their opening diameter. These make a perfect gift to friends and family, since they are handmade, durable, and easy to use.